How to change your Discover Bank online banking password on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to update your security, well here is how to change your Discover Bank password on desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here from the search results, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in from your dashboard, you just have to click on your profile and account settings at the top right corner and then select security settings and then you can simply choose change password and you have to enter your current password and once you're done with it simply type your new password twice to confirm it and make sure it's strong with the use of mix of letters, numbers and symbol for the best security. And once you're done with it, you can just click save or update and you will see a confirmation that your password was successfully changed. And that's it. That's how you can change your Discover Bank online banking password on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.